The first picture is a picture of a type of earthquake. This earthquake is a diversion earthquake. The second picture is a picture of a transforming earthquake. This picture is a picture of a conversion earthquake. Conversion earthquakes create volcanoes. In this picture, the building was totally destroyed and buildings around it were destroyed and it fallen down. Here are pictures of 4 buildings that have been broken from the bottom up. When there is an earthquake, a building usually breaks at the bottom and the rest will fall down on top of it. In this picture, a road was broken and fallen in half from the earthquake. In this picture, they are searching for survivors and people under the rubble from the earthquake. In this one, the building was broken from the bottom again, and the rest of it fell on top of itself. In this picture, you can see the structure and how it was falling on top of itself and not be able to withstand the earthquake. This is a crack that came from a diversion earthquake. It splits the earth. Here in this picture is another result of a diversion earthquake. In this picture, the building was fallen from an earthquake and destroyed. And this picture is another result of an earthquake. Earthquakes that are underwater or on a fault line create a tsunami, which then go onto land and destroy many. Here is the result of an earthquake that created a tsunami that went onto land. This is another picture of a tsunami going onto land from an earthquake.